Oh, it's smoky. Oh, that smells.
Grab this. To get filming, you need to help me out.
No, not you.
Fantastic fancy. This is. Fantastic fancy. Make sure I make it the latest one. You're in charge, Lisa.
So we're going one at a time.
Yeah, go. That's it. Last one. See, told you it's going to go.
Martin.
Oh, somebody's got some going over there.
Right.
That's it.
Are we dead? No.
Amazing. And over it.
Jesus Christ. That was.
I've done better farts than that. Yep.
Oh, I just missed.
Last one! Last one!
Oh my god, that nearly got me!
What?
Nearly got me!
Nearly got you.
Yeah, it shot right past my arm!
Oh, they didn't hit you.
No!
Torch. Jesus, it's over here.
What did you shout?
I was like, oh, because it ran
Shout
right.
last one.
It shot right past my arm.
Fell over.
Are you both alright?
I got the shoots and I'm a bit shook.
Grab your phone. Grab your phone. Yeah.
Breathe.
You don't need to be scared.
In fact, you know, you said in the car, I'm going to want one of them. I won't be scared.
The camera's run out. You can have a look now. What? Take any carrot. Is it going to touch me? Not at all. Not at all. There you go. Just hold it like that. Beautiful. Well done. There you go.
Got a spinner on the back fence.
Right, just put it down.
It'll be alright, this is
Right,
you
wait
know,
till we're going. No, we're going in. So you will have to go in. Put it on the floor now, darling. Right, there's a carrot on the floor. Please don't light it while I'm here.
I know. You just said, I know what you're saying.
minute. Got another one. Alright, we'll sort it out in a minute. Are we just putting them on the floor, Dave?
Yeah, just stick them on the floor. Right, Ren.
Yeah, no, mine's still going.
Is she gone in yet?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, come on, block, Jesus. Mine's still going, it's not ending. Hey, it's throwing me up. Jeepers creepers.
There you go. You see it? Hey. Do your name.
Roby.
Mommy. Okay. You're pretty, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh. Dragon Ball Z. Hiya!
One more big one, are you going to have it?
Oh yeah. This is my big novelty cigar.
Okay, pop it on the floor. Do you want another one? No. You done now? Good girl. Do you want to pass me the other big one, Romy? That's the last big one, isn't it? Thanks, sweetheart. There you are, Ren, you can have two.
That one's about to burn out.
Okay. Alright, just give me a minute. Ren, will you like this one, Tommy? Stay still. I can't find you. Yeah. Good girl. Hey, up and study. What? Yeah, go on, finish that one then you're done. Right, Mummy. No? It won't. I know what you mean though, the sparkles. Sparkly bit. Oh, sparkler, Dave. Dave, do you want sparkler? You want the little ones or are you done?
Oh, I've got little ones now. Oh, look at that. Oh, it was glowing. So rad, dude. Have them both at the same time. In the same cart. No, I'm joking.
Right, hold one for me, please. And we'll light that one. No, don't. Wait till it sparks.
Started
You'll see
sparking
it.
a little bit, man.
No, it didn't. Right, now, do you want this one as well? You can light it, can't you?
Mhm.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Oh, it's tingling.